So there is a saying in a quantum world, the more you look, the less you know. Okay. So to understand this statement, we have to understand the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay. So what is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? So it is not possible to know the exact location and the momentum of a quantum particle like electron, photon, प्रोटॉन एट द सेम टाइम. मतलब हम कभी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन का पोजीशन और मोमेंटम सेम टाइम पे पता नहीं कर सकते. ओके. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिनारियो, लेट अस कंसीडर अ एग्जांपल. Let us consider a tennis ball moving with some velocity. Okay. So consider a single frame. Okay. Now when we consider a single frame, we know the exact location of the ball. Okay. हमको दिख रहा है कि भाई the exact location of the ball is this, but we don't know कि भाई in which direction the ball is moving. Okay. With what velocity the ball is moving, we don't know. Means we know the exact location, but we don't know in which direction the ball is moving. Yes or no? अब consider the same scenario. Okay. Consider a long exposure photo. Now we know कि भाई in which direction the ball is moving. We know the exact momentum. Okay. We know the velocity, but now we lost the exact position of that tennis ball. Now we don't know what is the exact location of that ball. Okay. That is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Means if you try to know the exact location of the electron, you will lose the momentum. And when you try the find out the exact momentum, you will lose the position of that electron. Okay. बहुत स्ट्रेंज बात है ये. सो इसके लिए हाइजेनबर्ग ने एक मिनिमम वैल्यू दिया. द मिनिमम वैल्यू फॉर द अनसर्टिनिटी ऑफ द पोजीशन एंड मोमेंटम इज h by 2 pi, where h is a Planck constant. Okay. So yes, quantum world is weird, but actually it is real.